Hello, if you are wondering if you can find Ditto in Pokémon Scarlet and Violet, then the answer is yes, you can find one, although it is quite challenging to do so. You can find Ditto mostly in the West Province, in Area 2 and in Area 3. And the main issue compared to other Pokémon is that Ditto will not be seen as Ditto itself. Instead, Ditto will disguise itself as other Pokémon. So you cannot tell which one's which, or if you actually found them. In order to actually know if you found Ditto is to make him reveal itself in the first turn of the battle. So you have to battle all these Pokemons that are nearby in order to find Ditto. And apparently the best spot where you can find Ditto is the tower next to Portal Marinada, and apparently you can quite consistently find Ditto there. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!